L shape is a great opener for the hamstrings and the shoulders, but also a great prep for L-shape handstand. So start by facing the wall, place the hands about hip height, and then walk your feet back so that the hips are right on top of the feet. Feet are hip width apart, and if the hamstrings are a little tighter, bend your knees a little bit more so that you can truly relax the torso down towards the floor. Shake out the neck. And when you're ready to come out, move slowly, walking your feet toward the wall, keeping your hands on the wall. And when you get all the way upright, put your forehead on the wall to steady yourself and calm any dizziness. Now let's see how to use the block to intensify the shoulder opener. So instead of the hands, the elbows are going to go hip height, shoulder width apart, and you'll see that I'm framing the block with an L shape with my thumb and index fingers. Elbows want to be as high as they possibly can, depending on your shoulder flexibility, and keep the knees bent if you need to, if the hamstrings are tighter. To come out, roll up slowly, walk toward the wall with the hands on the wall. Now let's bring a twist into this forward bend using the wall. So placing a block on the highest height in front of you, standing perpendicular to the wall, cross the outer leg in front of the inner leg, outer hand on the block, and inner hand slides up the wall. If that feels too tall, you can lower onto a lower block. Ensure that outer hip is drawing back and your chest is moving away from the inner hip, lengthening the spine. To come out, slide the hand down the wall behind you, uncross the legs to hip width. Slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time, steadying with the hand on the wall. And great work.